Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Johan and today is the day that we wrap up the Honda Element project. Previously on Project Element, we found a new home for the car with a young lady by the name of Grace. Now Grace bought this as her first vehicle, and on this channel we want to teach kids how to work on their own cars and how to make smart decisions when it comes to their vehicles. And if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to give us some love down below to stay up to date on everything automotive DIY, how-to, and tech related. So today we're going to finish up this series. Grace finally gets her new car, and stick around until the end where we reveal what our next car is for the Honda Project series. So enough intro, let's go. Boom, yours. We got some other stuff to give you too, okay? So hang tight. So here we are, Grace, filling out the paperwork for your brand new car. All right, so we're filling out the paperwork and the question came up, kids. So as you are filling out your paperwork, one of the things it's going to ask you for is your odometer reading. So if you don't know how to get that, there's these little pegs inside of your dashboard most of the time, up by the speedometer. And you can see where the little 00 is. Go ahead and press that and it will tell you what your mileage is. There you go. So what does that say?
146.59.
There you go, 146.059. All right. First car, looking like we're gonna get it all done. That is the golden sack of money. Also, you can go ahead and print out a bill of sale for each person or each party to have, and it certainly helps out. So, transaction is done. Grace here has bought her first car. We have some additional items for her. This came with the vehicle, and this is a Thule tracker kit. So what it is it gives you all the mounts and everything to put a roof rack on your car, and then the roof racks just like mount right to these or quick release. So if you get to it,
that's pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet. It's probably like $100 thing if you ever find them. And they're older, the car's older, but if you find something that can fit those on Craigslist for 50 or 100 bucks, then you can get them off. I'll be right back with one more thing. All right. So one of the things that Ryan got for Grace here for Christmas is an amp kit for this car.
Woohoo! Bum bum bum
bum.
bum.
You can thank Ryan for that, or our cameraman. And part of my Christmas gift and gift to you is you can borrow this for as long as you want. So we can put it in there, we can wire this up, and then when you get your sub ready, or you get an amp for yours, which is bigger than this, I'll help you put that one in too, and then you can give me this one back. All right, good deal?
Yes,
Thank you, Johan.
You learned something about your new car?
I did. I learned a lot about it.
All right, so next time you go to change your oil, you're gonna know where to do it?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, where do you fill the oil? Take a guess.
In the same thing.
Keep guessing. See the thing, yeah, where does it go? What does the oil do?
Yeah, I don't know.
So the oil lubricates the metal parts inside of the engine. So you're generally going to want to put it in the engine. The black thing, that thing that says 5-weight-20, open that up and it has the oil symbol. There you go. So here, we'll put this up, down on there, and it's going to be kind of difficult. So go ahead and try and, there you go, crack that open. Now, kids, when you're looking at a vehicle, as you flip this over, smell the oil. Put your nose up to it, smell it. Also, as you look at it, you see that cap? If it's milky in there and there's white stuff, it means that you have a blown head gasket because the water and the oil is mixed inside the engine block. So always check that as you're checking your oil. Also,
Bam.
here's a set of jump.
It sound right, boy.
This car is kitted out. There's your spare tire. The jack is underneath it, so you need to be able to unscrew this and get to your jack. You turn it to the right, and then you should be able to pull the key out and open it. Yep, there you go. All right, and that's the tailgate right there. So slide that little lever to the left, and the tailgate will come down. Boom. Do you know how to use that thing?
Stick it on this.
It actually goes back there. See this though? It won't fit in here, so you gotta kind of like get it in there. And now you can put it in. You get one side in, and then you come over to this, and it will spring in and then loosen up. And then this is what you pull and get to go one side. And you want to grab that side, Grace? There you go. Boom, and then it fits in there like that. So you got plenty of trunk space. You can hide stuff. If you're going to college, you got your book bag or a laptop or something back there. You don't have to worry about people being able to see it because it's covered up. Off she goes in her new car. The Element on her way. And with that, our Honda Element project is complete. We had some ups and downs, but in the end, we got it back on the road and even taught this young lady and some of you out there what to look for when buying a used vehicle. Thanks again for watching, and if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit that like or subscribe button to stay up to date on all things automotive how-to, DIY, and tech related. And one of the other things that came out of this Honda Project Element is we already have our next car for the channel. Mr. Ryan is hooking it up. So part of this deal, giving her a good deal, is Mr. Ryan here has our next project, and that is a 2001 Honda Civic with a blown head gasket. We're getting an EM2, and we're gonna work cars and kids. My 10-year-old and I are gonna do a head gasket and get that thing back on the road. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna case swap it. So stay tuned. We're trying to help kids. We're trying to get them to learn something in this pandemic. You need to teach them something. We're here for you. Talk to you later.
It sound right, boys.
We're back for a new portion of our TV show. After selling Ryan and Honda Element, I was getting rid of this free piano, and it turns out that Jody here, hi Jody, needed a free piano. And look at what she came to pick it up in, an Element, which is exactly what I picked this up in. And she just got this car a couple weeks ago, so it's a brand new Element to her. So everyone's getting Elements. There you go. All right, look at how awesome this truck is.
It's a pretty sweet little vehicle.
Another Element for the channel. I wish that this was my first car when I was 17.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's awesome. All right, well, thanks for picking up the piano. Merry Christmas.
Good luck. Send us some music.